Alright, so this is post cabling a second time at 1997 East 113th Place for home serve. Same access point, clean out in the garage, or sorry, the basement bedroom. So I have attempted to clear these roots at 10 feet 2 inches multiple times now, and I just can't seem to grab them with my blades. Now down here at 24 feet is where the line keeps blocking up, causing backups into the home. And these ones, it looks like we were able to chew through these, and the abundance of them is gone. Alright, let's chase this line out a little ways. And one more ball of roots down here at like 55 feet, I think is what it was. We'll check on them. So we got going on there. A little bit of a puddle action going. We're chasing them. There's that big old mass of roots right in front of the camera. That is what we've been dealing with.
You need me?
No, I mean, if you want to see what it was here in a second, see if I can't get an image of it. Come on. Go.
Holy shit.
So that is a giant ball of roots.
Yeah.
Right now it's sitting at the city tap. So where it ties into the city sewer.
Oh, shoot, okay.
Originally that spot was at Alright, so that is the giant ball of roots that was causing all of these backups at 24 to 30 feet. I'm going to have to run the cable back. So there is still some roots here at 55 feet with a slight offset, which is going to be out in the street. Those roots are not going to impede the flow of waste at all, and will most likely be able to be caught the next time a preventative maintenance is done on the line.